Welcome to Section 1 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training, LinkedIn Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what is LinkedIn all about, what LinkedIn can do for your business, shocking LinkedIn marketing facts to consider, and LinkedIn walkthrough. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What is LinkedIn all about? Hey there, pals. We're glad to have you back again. And so we welcome you to our latest video training, where you will learn a new way to dominate the ever-growing world of making the internet a fertile ground for doing solid business. And one of the greatest things about making money online is that it is now a fully developed, fully diversified industry. An industry that, not too many years ago, was perceived to be nothing but a niche pastime for internet gurus as well as for the unemployed. This was mostly due to the fact that making money on the internet was limited to a handful of niche activities that only people with a wide knowledge of where to look had access to, including display advertising and affiliate marketing schemes. But the internet has changed a lot since then, and we are now looking at an industry that not only offers people the opportunity to make money online, but to find real jobs that pay real salaries, and to grow in a professional manner thanks to platforms such as LinkedIn. Now, what is LinkedIn all about? Social media platforms took the internet by storm more than a decade ago, and they've been one of the biggest sources of online activity ever since. They were all about minimal user interaction and only used by very specific demographics. But then Facebook entered the picture, and it changed the way that things were made online forever. Mainly because from then on, every place in the internet has made the effort to offer some kind of social feature to their visitors. It also gave birth to the phenomenon of social networks. And now there's a social network for basically anything. Do you want to get in touch with old friends from high school? You can use Facebook. Do you want to share some quick bursts of information? Then use Twitter. Do you want to share your hobbies and awesome crafts? There's Pinterest for that. This focalized approach to designing social networks targeting a specific activity and a specific demographic is what made possible the conception of LinkedIn, famous for being a social network mainly used by job seekers and headhunters. But describing LinkedIn as such barely does it justice. LinkedIn can be best described as a social network with features designed to benefit the business community as a whole. The main goal of this social network is to connect its members on a professional level. Just like any other social networking site, LinkedIn allows people to join it for free and to create a social profile. Whereas other social networks are mostly designed as billboards for people's interests, hobbies, everyday moments, and thoughts, LinkedIn is designed to highlight career-related information. LinkedIn profiles emphasize information such as professional or labor skills, employment history, and education. Also, unlike common social networking sites, social contacts are not called followers or friends, but connections, as to establish a professional tone to interactions made by people on the platform. These connections allow members to connect with people with whom they have worked, gone to school with, or with people that they know on a professional level, whether online or offline. The big advantage that LinkedIn offers to its regular users is that it allows them to be discovered by companies looking for employees, thanks to the massive amount of data that LinkedIn users provide the platform with, including job titles, geographical locations, skill sets, industry information, and much more. On a purely practical level, this means that users looking for new career options as well as for ways to expand their professional reach can use LinkedIn as a great platform to boost their efforts, because it is a powerful way to connect with employers, as well as with other people that might help them to learn a lot more about their own career path. And much like on Facebook, users can customize their LinkedIn accounts so they are served only the best career-related info, including personalized job listings. Also, a LinkedIn profile is currently valued like a well-crafted resume, and lots of people have had success in using the platform to find their dream jobs. LinkedIn can also be used as a great educational resource, as lots of famous business people have LinkedIn profiles that any user can follow to find helpful tips from the most seasoned of professionals from around the world. So, now you know that LinkedIn is a great platform to kickstart a professional career and to find the perfect job without ever leaving your house. But what if you were already running your own company? How can LinkedIn help you grow your business? We're glad you asked, because we're going to give you the answer in our next video.